Hello students, now we are going to see question number 2, solve the following simultaneous equation, question number 7 and question number 8. Okay student, so first we'll start the solution. So this is what question number 7 solution. So you will write what? First you will write the equation, that is 99x plus 101y, 99x plus 101y, and this is equal to 499. So this is the equation number 1, and equation number 2 is 101x plus 99y, and this is equal to 501. Okay student, so this is a very simple example, or we can say that whether you can see this equation 1 and 2, this is difficult one, but it is very easy and very simple. Okay, now student, observe equation number 1, that is 99x plus 101y, and in the second equation 101x plus 99y, means just I will show you. The coefficient of x in equation 1 is the coefficient of y in equation 2, and similarly the coefficient of y in equation 1 is the coefficient of x in equation 2. Means coefficient of x and y variable are interchanged in equation 1 and 2. So student, when you will get such kind of example where the coefficient of variables of x and y or any variable, if their coefficient are interchanged, at that time you are going to perform first operation adding equation 1 and 2, and then second operation subtracting equation 1 and 2. Means one time you are going to add the equation 1 and 2, and second time you are going to subtract equation 1 and 2. So let us see how you will solve. So I will write adding, first step adding equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So just you will add. So what you will get student? You will get, this is 200x plus this will be what? 101 plus 99, 200y, and this will be what student? 499 plus 501, this will be 1000. Clear? Now divide on both sides by 200. Okay, because each term is divisible by 200, so divide on both sides by 200. Okay, so what you will get? So you will get what? 200 upon 200, 1x. Here you will get 1y, and this is equal to 1000 divided by 200. You will get 5. So this will be equation number 3. 1000 divided by 200 will gives us 5. Okay. So because 20 will cancel out, 10 upon 2, so 10 upon 2 is 5. Now second step, what you will do, you are going to subtract. This is the first step, adding. Now you are going to subtracting. So subtracting what? Equation 1 and equation 2. So you are going to subtract equation 1 and equation 2. So how you will subtract? So write down again. So I will write this equation 2 first. 101x, then plus 99y, and this is equal to 501. You may write first equation this or second equation first. No problem. Okay, this is your choice. Then I will write first equation. So 99x, then plus 101y, and this is equal to 499. Okay. Now you will subtract. So you know what will happen during subtraction. So all sign will change. So this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. So what will be the answer? 101x minus 99x. So this will be what? This will gives us what? 2x. Okay. This will be what? This will gives us minus 2y. Because here bigger number is what? 101 having minus sign. And this is equal to 501 minus 499 will gives us 2. So you are getting what? 2x minus 2y is equal to 2, and this whole equation is divisible by 2. So we are going to write, so I will write dividing on both sides by 2. So when you will divide on both sides by 2, so what you will get? You will get x minus okay, 2x divided by 2, you will get x minus 2y upon 2, you will get minus y, and this is equal to 2 upon 2 will gives us 1. This how will write? You will write like this, what? 2x upon 2 minus 2y upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2. So simply this will cancel out, this will cancel out, and this will, you will get 1. This is what you will get, x minus y is equal to 1. This will be equation number 4. This will be equation number 4. Okay. Now observe equation 3 and 4. We are easily able to solve equation 3 and equation 4. So just you will add equation 3 and 4. So right here adding equation 3 and 4. So what equation 3? X plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. And equation 4 is x minus y is equal to 1. So when you will add this equation 3 and 4, this plus y and minus y will cancel out. 1x plus 1x, this will be 2x. 2x is equal to what? 5 plus 1, 6. And therefore you get x is equal to 6 upon 2. And therefore x is equal to what? 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So x is equal to 3. Now we'll put x is equal to 3 in equation 3. So what is equation 3? Equation 3 is x plus y is equal to 5. So x plus y is equal to 5. And what is x? X is 3. So 3 plus y, this is equal to 5. Now transfer this 3 to right hand side. You will get y is equal to 5 minus 3. And then y is equal to what? So what will be the value of y? 5 minus 3, that is 2. So this is the answer, student. This is the answer of x variable is 3 and y variable is 2. And finally we'll write the answer. Solution is, that is x comma y. What is x? X is 3, and what is y? Y is 2. Okay, friends? So this is the answer of question number 7. Very easy. Only you have to remember, if you will get such kind of questions, so you are going to add one time and second time you are going to subtract. Okay. Now we will deal next question, that is question number 8. So student, again we will solve question number 8. So solution, I will start solution, and question number 8, that is 49x minus 57y. This is equal to 172. This is what equation number 1. And second equation is 57x minus 49y, and this is equal to 252. This is equation number 2. अब स्टूडेंट आपको पता है क्या करना है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 में क्या हो रहा है. यहाँ पे जो x का कोएफिशिएंट है सेकेंड इक्वेशन में वो y का कोएफिशिएंट है. यहाँ पे जो y का कोएफिशिएंट है इक्वेशन 1 में, उस सेकेंड इक्वेशन में x का कोएफिशिएंट है. मींस ये बात बहुत क्लियर है कि आपको जब ऐसे इक्वेशन मिलने वाले हैं जहां पे x और y के जो कोएफिशिएंट हैं इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 में इंटरचेंज होंगे। ऐसे इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए आप क्या करने वाले हो, आप एक बार तो ऐड करेंगे और दूसरी बार आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट, मतलब एक बार आप इन दोनों इक्वेशन को ऐड करोगे और सेकेंड टाइम आप इन दोनों इक्वेशन को क्या करने वाले हो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने वाले हो। तो चलो देखते हैं कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे। सो आई विल राइट adding equation 1 and equation 2. So I'm going to add equation 1 and 2 and we get, so now you will add equation 1 and 2, so what you will get student, 9 plus 7 16, okay, carry 1, 5 and 4 9 and 1 10, so 106. Okay, once again, 9 plus 7 16, carry 1, 4 plus 5 9 and 1 10, 106x. You will get what, 106x. Now this both number is minus, so minus sign. 9 plus 7 again what, 16, carry 1, 5 plus 4 9 and 1 10, 106 what, y, and this is equal to this 2 and 2 4, 7 and 5 12, carry 1, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4. So you are getting what, 106x minus 106y is equal to 424. Now you will divide each term by 106. So dividing on both sides by 106. Okay, means each term is divisible by 106, therefore you are going to divide each term by 106. So 106x divided by 106 minus 106y divided by 106 is equal to 424 divided by 106. So divide. So this 106 will cancel out in first term, in second term also it will cancel out, and here 106 ones are and fours are. So you will get what, x minus y is equal to 4. This will be equation number 3. Now how you will divide 424 divided by 106? So just you will write here 106 multiplied by 4. So 4 6 are 24, 4 carry, 24, 4, 2 carry, so write here 2, 0, 4 ones are 4. Means when you will multiply 106 by 4, you will get 424. It means that when you will divide 424 by 106, your answer will be 4. So here x minus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 3. So what we have done, we have added equation 1 and 2. Now what will be our second step? We are going to subtract equation 1 and 2. So I will write here subtracting equation 1 and equation 2 we get. Now we are going to subtract equation 1 and equation 2. So what is equation 1? So this equation 1 I will write here 49x minus 57y. This is equal to 172, and equation number 2 is 57x minus 49y, and this is equal to 252. Now we are going to subtract. So what you will get, student, while subtraction, when you will subtract, so you will change all the signs. So this plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus, this plus becomes minus. Now what will be minus 57x plus 49x? So this will be, student, minus 8x. This will be minus 8x. Okay. Similarly, here is, this is plus 49, this is minus 57. So again here what you will get, you will get here minus, this will be what, minus, do the calculation, what you will get. So what you will get, student, you will get again here, what is the subtraction, minus 8y, and this is equal to, again this will be 252, means 252 minus 172, so this will be what, 0, 10, 15 minus 7, 8. Okay, so this will be minus 80. Okay, in minus 8x, from this first term you will get what, minus 8x. This is plus 49 minus 57 minus 8y, and this is equal to what, 172 plus 172 minus 252. This will be minus 80 because we will take greater number sign. So greater number sign is here minus. Now student, divide, because each term is divisible by 8. So or minus 8 we can divide, or so we will write dividing on both sides by minus 8. Okay, dividing on both sides by minus 8. So minus 8x upon minus 8, minus 8y upon minus 8, and minus 80 divided by minus 8. So this minus 8 and minus 8 will cancel out. Same here. This is the what, plus, this is minus. So again here minus 8 and minus 8 is cancel out. This is minus 8 ones are, and minus 8 tens are 80. Okay. So what you will get here, you will get x plus y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 10. This will be equation number 4. Okay. What is first equation? Equation number 3 is, that is x minus y is equal to 4, and fourth equation is x plus y is equal to 10. This is equation number 4. So when you have added equation 1 and 2, so you are getting equation number 3, that is x minus y is equal to 4. And when you are subtracting equation 1 and 2, so what you are getting, equation number 4, that is x plus y is equal to 10. Now you will solve this equation number 3 and equation number 4, and you will get the value of what? You get the value of x variable and y variable. So what you can do, you will add equation 3 and equation 4. So that what? Adding equation 3 and equation 4. So what is equation 3? Equation 3 is x minus y is equal to 4, and equation 4 is x plus y is equal to 10. So when you will add, this minus y plus y will cancel out. 1x plus 1x, 2x. 2x is equal to 10 plus 4, 14. So therefore, what will be x? X will be 14 divided by 2, and therefore x is equal to what? 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. X is equal to 7. Okay. X is equal to 7. Now we will put the value of x either in equation 3 or 4. So I will put x is equal to 7 in equation 4. Okay. Put, I will write, put x is equal to 7. Okay. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 4. And equation 4 is what? X plus y. X plus y is equal to 10. Okay. So what is x? X is 7. So 7 plus y is equal to 10. So what will be y? So y is equal to 10. This plus 7 becomes minus 7. So y is equal to what? 3. Clear? So what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Value of x is 7. And what is the value of y? Y is 3. And then write the finally answer. Solution is, that is x comma y. What is x? X is 7. And what is y? Y is 3. So this is the answer of question number 8, sub question number 8 of question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation. So here we have completed practice set 1.1, chapter 1, linear equation in 2 variables. I have solved all the questions in the lecture 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay student. So watch the video properly and try to solve one or more times in your notebook to clear your concept. Student, if you like my videos, so please subscribe the channel, so you will get all the video lectures Okay, you will get all the notification of video lecture. Okay, student. So stay home, be safe. I am here. I will solve all your difficulties. Okay, students. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.